Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change your contact photo on iPhone iOS 17. First of all, open up the contacts in your iPhone. Tap on your name. Click on the contact photo and poster. After that, tap on Edit. Now click on the Customize button and select Contact Photo. From here, you can choose your contact photo. You can also select it from your camera roll or also customize it. You can use any memoji, monogram, or photos. Here is a different memoji present. That is how you can change contact photos in iPhone iOS 17. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share your comments or questions below.